Hey y'all, how we doing today? Mike here, Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in. Today I got a little project I'm working on. I'm actually working on an old two-stroke outboard. It's a 150 horsepower Mariner, two-stroke, 2.0 liter. Boat's been sitting for over 10 years, so we went ahead and put some oil in there to try to get the pistons rolling and stuff, and we're getting some compression that's not so good in some of the cylinders. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and spray this product in there. I'll show you right here, and then hopefully it's going to help loosen up those rings. So here we go. We have the outboard right here. We went ahead, we pulled the spark plug out of here. So what we got is this deep creep penetrating oil lubricant. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and spray a bunch of this in each cylinder, let it sit overnight, and then try to turn the motor over tomorrow. And I'm hoping this helps break some of those rings loose and starts to help producing some compression. So let's go ahead and start putting this in there. Alright, so basically I'm gonna put a ton of this in each cylinder. I don't think there's like a certain amount you should or should not. I'm just trying to get a ton in there, you know. There it is. So it's starting to seep out a little bit, so I'm just going to put the plug in there just to hold it. And with this engine, I noticed was sitting in the upright position, so I'm going to fill up all the cylinders. I'm probably going to actually lift it up and then put it in the same position it was stored for so long, and I'm hoping that's going to help break up some of that. And then tomorrow I'll come out and I'll rotate it over. I'll do it again, and then I'll show you what compression test looks. Hopefully we can get some compression back in these cylinders. Alrighty y'all, so after go ahead and putting this deep creep into the cylinders, we let it sit a few days. We're getting some mixed PSIs. Let me go ahead and take this cover off and show you. Alright, so before we were getting 0 in 2 of these pistons. Now in this top one we're getting about 30, and then this one over here we're getting about 30 as well, and the rest of them are about 110 to 120. So that's good. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and tilt the motor up, and I'm going to put a bunch of this Marble Mystery Oil in the 2 cylinders that we're having issues. I'm also going to put a little bit in the other 3 cylinders. So I'm going to trim it up. I'm going to use a funnel, and I'm basically going to fill it up as much as I can, put the plugs back in, let it set for a few days, and then I'll come back. I'll pull all the plugs, turn the motor over to get rid of all any fluids or residuals, and then try turning it over again and getting a compression check and see what kind of reading we get there. Alrighty guys, so just to wrap all that up, when we first got the engine, we were getting 0 in 2 of the pistons, and we were getting like just low numbers all over the place. So we put that oil stuff in there, which loosened it up. It brought a lot of those pistons to like 120, 110. But we still have the 2 that are 30. I put a little bit of that Marble in there to try to help things out. And come to find out, we're still getting some low PSIs. So what I'm going to do next is going to go ahead and just order some head gaskets. We're going to pull those heads off. So if you guys want to see that, stick around for a video. Just want to thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope this does help you guys. Hopefully you don't have to do a head gasket or even get a rebuild, but these are some products and some recommendations you probably could do to help loosen up those rings if your engine's been sitting for a long period of time. So I appreciate y'all. You all stay tuned for the next episode. Y'all take care. God bless.